Okay, let's start the project by creating our data set. Let me just create a new cell here. We were going to write the code in the cleanest way. At first, we importing our libraries. Don't forget, we don't need to import many libraries. That sometimes make our code slow and huge. That's not good. We just need import libraries that we need. Import pandas. Let me add another. So import pandas as pd. Import numpy as np. Import matplotlib as plt. Import what I forgot it. Let's go and see. Here we have the libraries. Import these 3 libraries. Don't forget to import matplotlib.pyplot. It's really important to import this. Import sklearn kneighbors, import sklearn models, from sklearn datasets, import load iris. Now we have our libraries important. Let's run it. Wait a little to import the libraries. Okay, then let's load the data. Now let's write here loading the. Let's run it and right here. Load data. Some of you may ask why I don't use some other. Ideally, I will use them when we are going to reach YouTube datasets and tell you about them more on that time. I like Jupyter because it gives us cell-to-cell running, and it's really good for our computer and test running and our time of running. I prefer that. Okay, now we load the iris. In the next line, what we are going to do, we are going to split the data set. Okay, let's write it and see if we remember or not. Xtrain, xtest, what, y train, y test. What do you guess? I write it wrong or right? I give you 5 seconds to guess, or you can pause the video and go search for yourself to find that if we write it right or wrong. Go search for yourself. Okay, now we go to C. We write it right. Xtrain, xtest, ytrain, ytest. Now we are going to use the count. Why it is important to go and see yourself? Let's see, it is not a video tutorial and you need to write a code by yourself. You know what the algorithm is, but the thing you want to know is that you are writing the syntax right or wrong. Because of that, you just have to know how to find the right and wrong things. Okay, xy, it said x is not defined. Why? Because the x is this x. Now let's write here load data, split the test and train data. Let's see the length of test and train data just for us to be more familiar with the data. Y train is 120. Y test is 30. That's good. That's good number for us to use kneighbors, because if the number is bigger, the model running is going to take a while to train. Okay, it's just now for this lessons. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.